Hi everybody, welcome back to the How to Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to create folders in App Drawer in your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. At first you need to go to the App Drawer, like this, and now you have to hold any icon which is here. Now drag it along the other one, and just here, now we have our folder. You have to hold and, as you can see, drag it along the other icon. To the news, for example, let me drag it here. Now we have our folder. Here we can rename our folder, tap plus to add applications more easily, and here to change the color of the folder. It's very fun actually. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.